First time getting the wings, you know? Yeah. This is so attractive, yeah? That's why I look at my answers and things there. Oh, must actually have to take away. What's poppin'? Hope you guys are good. This is a special video that we just made now because we are at Ezola North Wingman Company, guys.
Oh, yeah.
So we just did a food content. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah! I'm very excited. I'm even skipping the introduction because like we just did a food content, and the food is very exceptional. We just ate a burger now. We couldn't even eat the quota. We took the quota as a takeaway. Like imagine the food is very exceptional,
Guys,
very delicious. Yo,
the presentation, guys, like he attracted umuntu like
lapha.
the
Imagine.
way the presentation like was looking like, guys,
Oh.
angazi ukuthi ngi-explain kanjani, but the presentation was very very good.
Yeah.
And like they are very clean.
Yeah.
Like women, guys, so niyazi nani ukuthi ukudla okuclean kuletha ini.
Yes.
Ukudla okuclean kuletha good taste. So ukudla okungekho clean uyazi nawe angeke uze ukuthenge, ngeke uze ube attracted kuloko kudla lokho.
Yeah.
So Wingman is one of the good spots, guys, zokudla. So nje ngicela ukuthi unga waste isikhathi, come here, guys, you will never regret it.
Yeah, oh yeah. You like the food was very exceptional. You wouldn't think like you're wasting money like other food joints. This is the best food joint ever that we have, Ezola North, guys. So please come and support the Wingman Company. This is just the food content that we did, but we did an extra video just to share our views and how we got to enjoy the food. So guys, please come on Wingman. We're gonna share the location very soon, and it's gonna be available on Uber Eats very soon. So guys, please stay with us. See push Wingman. Let's push it to the core, guys, to the next level.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.